how to make money by selling digital products on Etsy. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make money by selling digital brush stroke clip art on Etsy. So let's get started by showing you some examples of this product on Etsy, obviously. Then I'm going to introduce you to a spying tool that is going to help you figure out or find out if this is really a winning product or not. After that, at the end of the video, I'm going to show you how you can create your own digital product using canva.com and using the pre-made templates that are available on canva.com without even creating a product from scratch. And also the spying tool that I'm going to introduce you to is going to help you in the future when it comes to finding new winning products, and also when it comes to spying on shops that you want to see what are they doing, the products that they are selling, the products that are making them the most amount of money. So here let's start by seeing some examples of the product. Here let's click on search and let's give it a few seconds to load. Make sure to wait for Etsy to complete loading, because in the first you will see only the products that are sponsored by their sellers. We want to see the products that are the ones that are popular now, or the ones that are mostly bought by clients. So let's give it a few seconds to complete loading. Even though it looks like it completed loading, but it's still loading. You can know that by seeing the first line of products. If they all have add by Etsy seller, that means Etsy didn't complete loading. So just wait for it. Here, as you can see, the page is unresponsive. Let's wait a few seconds, and here we have the ones that are popular now, or the ones that are mostly bought by the clients. We have the paint brush stroke, and here you will see the name of the shop. You will not see add by Etsy seller like we saw before. So let's choose one of these products. 100 paint strokes, Clipart rainbow watercolor. Let's choose this one here, for example. And here let's wait for it to load to take the name of the shop first. Then we will take it to our spying tool, which is going to help us confirm if this is really a winning product or not. So here the product cost $1.30. Let's take the name of the shop, the Digi Rainbow, copy, and then let's open a new tab. Let's type the name of the spying tool, which is everbee.io, and here let's wait for it to load. Click on sign up for free and give it a few seconds to load. This tool is a very good tool. It's going to give us a lot of other tools that are going to help us when it comes to creating a lucrative shop on Etsy, because it will offer us the product analytics that will allow us to find a lot of winning products. Also the shop analyzer, which is going to help us when it comes to spying on competitors or to finding out the products that are working for them. So here let's go to the search shop, which is here. We are using the shop analyzer tool. Go to the search shop and type the name of the shop you want to spy on. Click on search and give it a few seconds to load. Then you will be able to see all of the data about this shop. So here let's wait for it to gather the data. Still loading and analyzed data, but it's still, we have here the My Life Plans shop. So let's go back to the product analytics. Then we are going to come to the shop analyzer after that. So here let's wait for it to load. It's still loading. Let's give it a few seconds. Then we are going to come back to the shop analyzer in a bit. And here let's come to the shop analyzer, which is the spying tool that you're going to use whenever it comes to spying on certain shops. But when you want to spy on products, go to the product analytics. So here in the search shop, let's type the name of the shop, click on search, and wait for it to load. Here it will complete loading right away. So here, if you scroll down, you'll be able to see all of their products, and they have 1,649 products listed on their shop. And if you scroll to your right, you will see the shop's age, 121 months. This shop was created 121 months ago, and they have made more than 200,000 sales over 121 months ago. So if you can just multiply this number by 5 or by 3 or $4, you will see that these people are making a lot of money with only digital products. So let's see if we can find this 100 paint strokes on here. We have 100 seamless something. You want to find 100 paint strokes. So here they are selling only digital products, as you can see, and here is the product we want to look for. It was listed 84 months ago. So let's click on this product to see the data of it. So here the product costs $3, created 84 months ago, and these are the reviews per month, and based on the reviews we will be able to guess the monthly sales. So here, every 4 people that buy the product, 2 of them, always half of the people that buy the product leave a review, which means we will just multiply the reviews by 2 and it will give us the amount of sales. So here, 2 reviews per month, which means 4 sales per month, and these are the total of the reviews, which means this product made this shop owner more than, I think it's 340 sales, more than 340 sales in 84 months, which is a very good amount of money if it's just a digital product that you can create once in your lifetime and list it once on your shop, on your Etsy shop, and it will always make 3 to 4 sales every month, making you approximately $12 every month. And if you can just make more products like that, 12 multiplied 12 times 2 or 12 times 4 or 5, that's a lot of money to be making in 1 month without even worrying about any other problems, because in digital products there are no returns and refunds, and also the product won't run out of you. So here I will take you to canva.com where you can create a product like that. So here just come to canva.com and type the name of the product that you want to create, which is digital brush stroke clip art. You can just type the name on the search and you'll find a lot of templates that you can use in order to create a product like that. So that's it guys for today's video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share the video with your friends.